Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Union County, Illinois, northwestern Johnson County, Illinois, southern Williamson County, Illinois, until 9:30 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located near Goreville, or 10 miles northwest of Vienna, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Or 10 miles northwest of Vienna, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Windows. Expected will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Goreville, Marion, Lake of Egypt area, and Creel Springs around 9:10 p.m. Pittsburgh around 9:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Burnside and Stone Fort. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 36 and 52. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Johnson, Union, and Williamson. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Strong take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Illinois, Johnson, Union, and Williamson.
Williamson County, part of this, let me get my information squared away, we're loading it up here.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for Alexander County, Illinois, Scott County, Missouri, Stoddard County, Missouri, until 3:15 a.m. Saturday. At 9:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for 5 inches of rain have fallen across northern parts of these counties. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Sykeston, Dexter, Scott City, Chaffee, Carroll, Bernie, Bloomfield, Advex, Orrin, Minor, Benton, Morehouse, Pubsico, Morley, Thames, Kelso, Essex, Bell City, Dudley, and Hayward City. Flash flooding including a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: in Missouri, Orrin, Minor, Stoddard, Benton, and Alexander, Illinois, Morley, Thames, Kelso, Essex, Bell City, Dudley, and Hayward City. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:15 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: in Missouri, Scott and Stoddard, and Alexander, Illinois.